that is GD, which is one of the important selection tool. Many of the companies use this as a selection tool for their recruitment process. So freshers should aware about GD and also practice about it. So let us first discuss what is GD. Group discussion is having a discussion in a group for a given topic. The topic can be anything, and on that topic the group has to discuss. The group can be of 5 to 10 members. Here the candidate is having full freedom of thoughts of speech. Also remember, there is difference between group discussion and debate. In debate, you have to stick to the given point, that is either positive or negative. Whereas in GD, you are having full freedom, that is you can talk on positive side of the given topic as well as you can also talk on negative side of the topic. Now let us discuss few of the important points which will help you to score good in GD or to crack GD. First one, take advantage. Whenever it is possible to take an advantage, please take it. That is, if you are getting an opportunity, please grab it. If you are a good initiator, please initiate the group discussion. The second important point is handle the situation. In any circumstances, please don't argue. It is a key point in a group discussion. In debate you can, but in GD don't argue. If you are not arguing and if you find that someone else is arguing in your group discussion, what you can do, being a good member, you can highlight other points and you can carry on the group discussion. Third important point is contribution. Yes, contribution matters. Your contribution should not be too long, it should not be too short. Okay? Next, your GK should be updated. It helps you for scoring. If you can't remember numbers, it will help you. If you know the facts about the given topic, please give the real examples, the live examples. It will help you for scoring. Fourth important point, and that is be a good listener. You should listen to others in a group attentively so that if you get an opportunity, you can add on in the discussion. And the fifth point is manage your emotions. Yes, we should try to control our emotions. We should control our emotions so that the nervousness and unsatisfaction is not seen through our facial expressions or through our body language. Now let us discuss which are the evaluation parameters of GD. Actually, there are many parameters which are judged throughout the GD, but few of the important things which we should take care, and these are: the first one, content. Your content should be proper. Whatever the contents you are using throughout the group discussion, it matters. So try to give new points. Second thing which is judged, and it is communication skills. Yes, your communication skills are checked. Next evaluation parameter is your body language. How your body language is, how your posture, your eye contact, your gesture, everything matters. Next evaluation parameter is teamwork and leadership. Your teamwork skills are checked. That is, how you give chance to others, how you listen to others, how you initiate the process. Your leadership skills are also checked. Next and very important evaluation parameter which we have already discussed, which is important for scoring, and that is contribution. So your contribution should be very proper, very appropriate. So please remember, speak well, listen to others, and active participation is the most important key of GD. Please practice for group discussions with your friends, with your colleagues, and definitely you will crack the GD. Thank you. All the best.